Today we're adding a face glitch effect, a super cool distortion that makes your face look like it's glitching digitally. It's perfect for glitch reels, futuristic edits, or spooky transformations. Let's jump right in. Start by importing your clip into CapCut and tapping to select it. Now head to Effects at the bottom toolbar. Next, choose Body Effects. Since this effect tracks the face automatically, inside this list, look for the Superpowers tab. Here, you'll find the Face Glitch effect. Tap on it to apply. The effect instantly locks onto your face and begins the glitching animation. To customize the look, tap again on the effect. Now you'll see multiple sliders you can play with. Atmosphere adjusts how strong and noticeable the glitch distortion feels around your face. Intensity controls how powerful the digital distortion appears. Color lets you change the glitch color tone to match the mood. Cool neon blues, harsh reds, and more speed adjusts how quickly the glitch animation cycles. Faster speed equals more chaotic. Try experimenting with different slider values depending on how dramatic you want the glitch to appear. And that's it. You've successfully added a face glitch effect in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut tutorials.